The morning report for the 17th of August 2011. As expected, the market is lingering around this area of 4,100 to 4,200. It's looking to try to find support to either move higher, which will be around 4,500, or to see if the bears are going to come back in and start selling the market down. Now, yesterday our market closed down 0.6%, the ASX 200 down 0.8%, and it closed at 4,247. Today the markets are open on a positive note, and we're up around about 0.5% so far in intraday trading, but we can't seem to break out of this range, which is what we were predicting last week, is that the market is right here as a turning point to see whether it'll pull back and retest the lows of the 3,800s we saw in the last couple of weeks, or whether it'll push higher. Now, if it does push higher, I think the market will probably get around 4,500 before retracing down and showing a bit more weakness. Now, what does all this mean? It means that over the last week or so, we've got a lot of people in the market, and we certainly invested a lot of cash into the market, but we haven't missed out completely. I do think there's going to be some more weakness coming through in the coming weeks or months, depending on what the market does in the coming days, and certainly there'll be opportunity to put some more cash into the marketplace when that happens. We're also starting to see some share purchase plans and rights issues coming through at some fairly good discounts, so we'll look to take advantage of those as well. I think right now the market is looking extremely cheap, and it's a good time to make sure that you've got some cash on hand and pick up those stocks which are sold down or thrown out with the bathwater. And we saw yesterday Westpac came out with a slightly disappointing result. It was slightly below expectations, only by about 5%, and we saw the market sell down the stock 5%. And we saw Westpac get back to around $20, which isn't as low as it's been in the last couple of weeks, but certainly it is looking awfully cheap. So there's a lot of good stocks out there which are getting sold down, which I think is a great opportunity to buy for the long-term investor. Add it to your core portfolio holdings. Westpac's in our model portfolio, and it's certainly one I think will do quite well going forward over the next 3 to 5 years. If you have any questions or queries, give us a call or go to our website on growyourwealth.com.au.